says smart can't be beautiful? Now you can have the best of both worlds. This is Cuff. It's a tiny device with technology inside that fits into different pieces of jewelry. You wear it on you throughout your day, and it helps in a bunch of different ways. First, Cuff keeps you notified. Your cuff can vibrate when someone important needs to reach you, so you can be available even if your phone isn't directly on you. Cuff also helps you in an emergency. If you ever get in trouble, you can press your cuff. An alert will go out to your friends and family, telling them you need help. They'll get your location and coordinate with others to get you the help you need fast. Cuff fits into an ever-expanding selection of jewelry, which means that whatever your style and wherever you're going, Cuff is with you. Tomorrow, you can put your cuff into a different piece of jewelry to match your new outfit. Notifications with a buzz, safety with a press, all within a pretty accessory. Don't you look smart? And coming soon, Cuff will keep you fit. Cuff will monitor your movement and let you know how active you are. Using the Cuff app, you'll see how close you are to your personal activity goals.
Women search and search and search, spending up to 76 days of their life on average searching for things in their handbag. Zoe puts an end to standing in the dark. Zoe springs to life, lighting up as soon as it senses an approaching hand, and switches off again once a given time period has elapsed. Zoe means finding, not searching. Zoe cleverly uses special sensorics which react to certain patterns of movements and hand gestures. This means Zoe needs no switches which need to be found and activated in the dark. No fuss, no fiddling. At just 41 grams, Zoe takes up very little space, but is still powerful enough to provide plenty of light. Thanks to high-quality LEDs and optimized electronic circuitry, Zoe is highly energy efficient. It just beams and beams and beams. Zoe, the first automatic handbag light in the world.
Every day, women wear bras. And there are thousands of colors and styles to choose from. But at Vitally Wear, we want to make them more functional than ever. This is Vitally, the world's first fashionable, comfortable smart bra that helps you live a well-balanced life. Stress begins in the body before it reaches the mind. But by the time we realize it, it's too late, and we already feel its effects. Vitally detects these early signs by monitoring your breath, posture, and HRV. And its sensors are made of fabric, so they have all the accuracy of traditional sensors, while being much more comfortable for all-day wear. HRV is a key physiological indicator of stress. When Vitally notices your HRV getting low, it gently reminds you to take a deep breath. Vitally then coaches you to breathe in sync with your heart's natural rhythm. Doing this stops your body's unconscious reaction to stress before it starts. And this breathing technique can also be used proactively for deeper focus or relaxation.
For me, it's interesting to be wearing the bra and looking at emails and seeing how my heart is reacting to just having to filter through emails.
With this bra, I'm able to monitor my stress and do things that can allow me to reduce stress throughout the days and really know what my triggers are so that I can change my day as I'm noticing the patterns.
But good breathing is impossible without good posture. Vitally can sense your body slouching and will softly remind you to straighten up. Better posture is proven to lead to better focus and confidence. With Vitally, maintaining it is as simple as getting dressed. And Vitally doesn't need your smartphone to work, so you can stay balanced anywhere. Like a great coach, Vitally makes seeing your progress simple. The Wellness Score is a combination of everything Vitally measures, personalized to your goals. Everything you do changes in real time, so whether it's a morning yoga routine or an afternoon meditation, you can see the exact before and after effects.
So recently I've been trying to do a lot of meditation, and this bra has really helped me in terms of giving me feedback for my improvements every single time I have a session, and it's just added motivation to keep doing what I'm doing. There's actual progress.
Vitally comes in 2 classic colors, as a front zipper or back clasp for easy access, and its sweat-wicking and supportive design lets you move worry-free.
My first impression is that it's so comfortable. I love that all the seams are really smooth and
amazingly comfortable. I just worked out in it.
It's easy to take on, it's easy to take off, and it's easy to move in, so I love it.
So whether you're at home, in the office, or on the mat, Vitally is the bra for every woman.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Ashi and I'm a lactation consultant. Today I'm going to be sharing my new favorite product called the La Vie Lactation Massager, which is literally a lifesaver if you're breastfeeding or pumping. It's easy to hold, has multiple vibration modes, and is 100% waterproof, which means you could use it in the shower. What I love about this product is its unique shape. It has 3 different sides, which help you solve a bunch of different breastfeeding problems. The smooth backside can be used to help soften the breast and stimulate letdown. The rounded edge can be used to dig into plugged ducts and help break them up. And the sides can be used to help move fluid and express milk. Whether you're in the beginning, middle, or end of your breastfeeding journey, this is a wonderful tool to have on hand.